Welcome again to the beautiful waters here in Lake Murray, South Carolina. Today, we're bringing an amazing property to you located in Leesville, South Carolina.
Now, we're just off of 378 and Devil's Backbone, and there's been a ton of growth lately that's been happening right here at this part on the lake. I mean, we got a new dry stack that's coming in for your boat storage, not to mention restaurants with South Shore Marina right there, Murphy's, Fisherman's Wharf, plus we just got San Jose's as well, and all that is just minutes away from this house.
It is. This home has some really cool amenities, starting out with a boat ramp, this dock that we're on with the floating dock, but check out this view. Amazing panoramic view that you'll be able to see from this dock, but even from the house itself.
Now here at 517 Hickory Circle in Leesville, you've got a nice piece of land here with a drive when you come in, nice big front porch out there, plenty of room for having parties. But again, here on the back deck of this home, look at the view we have here. I mean, one of the best views for the money you're going to get on Lake Murray. And plus, you got a nice big size backyard. As we mentioned earlier, you got the dock, the boat ramp, so much here to enjoy at 517 Hickory Circle.
But we're going to talk about the inside now. I'm ready to get to it because when you walk in, as soon as you enter the room, you're going to see all the windows. From the great room, it just bleeds in the beautiful waters of Lake Murray. And once you pass through the great room area, there's another stop area, which is called that Carolina room. It's like a sunroom with all the wraparound windows. It is amazing. It's like water everywhere that you go. Now, when we go from the great room, it's a step up. You'll step into this huge dining room space, but over to the right of the dining room is going to be a very nice open kitchen concept. The bar is huge. What I love about it is it has a stove cooktop right in the center of the island, but there's an opening that I can be cooking and look straight out through the great room and seeing Lake Murray itself.
Now, when you come from this part of the home, we're going to go straight down the hallway, and then on the left here is going to be that master bedroom, again, with the beautiful views of Lake Murray that you see here behind us. Plus, it's going to have its own bathroom with a shower, again, that you can see Lake Murray at.
Yes.
But as we step back into the hallway, you do have an additional bedroom that's right there. Plus, in the hallway, you've got another full bath that's been recently renovated as well.
I say you just need to see this place. So come today, take a look at it. We'd love to hear from you and give you that personal tour.
That's right. I mean, again, look at the views. Look at what you get here at Lake Murray. The proximity of how close it is to 378 to get back into Lexington. All these restaurants that are here, not to mention being able to enjoy the lake life itself. Give us a call. We'll meet you out here soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.